Hello everyone, welcome back to Nimisat. For this lesson, we are going to use acrylic paints and we are painting Coraline. So this is going to be a cute character study and you can check the description for all the materials that I'm using. For learning different mediums, you can join my regular classes. So let's get started. So take your pencil and draw this basic shapes. For the head, I'm going to use a square shape. Neck with a rectangle shape and body with long triangle-like shape. Now we can draw the sleeves. So long triangle shapes on the side with mitten-shaped hand, curved line, then the small thumb, then big long U shape, okay, same shape. And we have to add the collar of this coat at the top. It's a small rectangle shape. And connect everything to that line. And we need to draw another line here in the middle, two circles here and circles here, like 3 circles on this area. Before doing the details on the face, I'm going to darken these lines so you will know which line you need to keep and which line you need to erase. Here in the middle, I'm going to add a small detail. So erase everything on this line. And here I'm adding a small V shape all the way till here. So that's a little bit open so that we can add some red color. So we can draw the buttons on either side of this V shape. Slightly curved line on the side. First, I'm going to draw 2 lines on the face. One vertical line that cuts this shape in half vertically. Then the next line that is cutting this in half horizontally. So let's draw the hair here. And it will start from this point. So I'm drawing a small straight line. And this line will come here with a curved line closer to this border, and then it can come here. It's touching that horizontal line, then it's going outside the shape. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. We will make a small curved line. It will come all the way till here and it will touch this horizontal line and it will come outside. Okay, and we need to draw a line at the top. So we will draw another line exactly like the other one, but it will go outside this shape and will come and connect with this line here. Same thing. So this is a little bit longer. For the eye, you can use just normal eye shape or you can draw buttons. I'm drawing buttons for her eyes. The nose is a small straight line just below this, and you can take this line all the way till here, and eyebrow is like diagonal line. So in the middle of this gap, you can draw a small straight line for lip. Draw a thin curved line at the top and at the bottom. For the background, I'm adding some details. Take your Sharpie and outline the sketch. Our drawing is ready. Now we can start painting. So I'm going to use my acrylic paints for this drawing. You can take a peach color for face. I'm mixing it with vermilion red, a little bit of yellow and white. First, let's paint the face. I'm adding more white into this area. So if you're using a peach, add more white into your peach and fill this space. So this is going to be a lighter value. I'm using dark blue for this hair. It's tallow blue. So we have completed our Coraline. I hope you had fun. You can submit your completed artwork to our art contest, Halloween 2023. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.